Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over the XRP price chart. Last video, I had mentioned that this level of support around 51 cents is a key level of resistance that we had to break. And right here, we ended up popping through and moving up towards the 702 Fibonacci retracement level. Now, what I'm currently looking at, since we didn't actually tap that level, is that we're potentially in a 5 wave and then 3 wave corrective move now for Elliott wave. If you don't know Elliott wave, here's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after a 5 wave move to the upside, you normally get a 3 wave correction. So 1, 2, and now 3 is coming in. Normally, in a ABC corrective move, you normally see the A leg as the same length as the C leg. And so that's what we're currently working on right now, the C leg, which would bring us back down to around this level, which you can see has acted as a previous level of support here. We would fall back right around, let's see, let me put a ray in, right around here. And so that would be about a back test of 50 cents. Not quite. That would also reset the RSI to this level of previous support, which has been used here, this area, even this area. And so what we would need to see is basically the C leg down to this level of support, buyers to re-enter the market, a little bit of consolidation, and then another pop. That's kind of our only positive scenario here, since we haven't even reached the 702 and we're already rejecting off of the 618. What concerns me is that normally within these ranging Fibonacci structures, if you come up to the 786 and 702 and you don't break out here, you normally have a retrace all the way back down to the 236 level, which would be all the way back at 45 cents. And so if we end up coming down to 45 cents, obviously, so say we don't do this, but we break through here, we would probably fall out of this pattern, triggering a target which could potentially be really bearish, right? If we fall all the way down out of here, I mean, you can see how perfect that target would be. That would bring us all the way back down to 41 cents, and we would bottom out the entire Fibonacci range again. So these are our two scenarios right now. I'm watching to see what happens when we get back to this level of support right here in this range. Let me just clear this up so it's a little more visible. Once we get back down into this range, I would be very careful of what happens here. If we bounce somewhere in this range, we're golden. We're going to come back up and retest 702 for a potential breakout. If not, we're probably headed down fairly far. So that's the level that I would be watching personally. Let me go to the larger time frames now so you can see what it looks like on the 4-hour, because the 4-hour is actually looking a little bit bullish. Just a little bit. So here on the 4 hour, we actually are still trending upwards as of now, although we are taking a little bit of resistance on the RSI. Um, we have broken out back above the EMAs and then back tested this level of support. Um, but we are getting stuck under the 618. So in 2 hours, I'm gonna check back on this chart and see what's happened here. If we end up not rejecting and we get a green candle pushing us through the 618 here, which would be the scenario to the upside, that will basically save us from falling through these levels of support, um, and send us back up towards the upside here. So right now we're kind of in a big decision area. In the next video, I'm sure one of these scenarios is going to play out. So just be looking for that sometime soon. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll see you guys next time.